Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two finance apps. Choosing an online brokerage requires understanding the key features and services offered. Here's a detailed comparison of SoFi Invest and Ally Invest to help users make an informed decision. Account types. Both SoFi Invest and Ally Invest provide a variety of account types to suit different investment needs. SoFi Invest offers individual brokerage accounts, traditional and automated investing accounts. Ally Invest provides individual and joint brokerage accounts, SEP, and Forex trading accounts. Trading platforms. Robust trading platforms are essential for different types of investors. SoFi Invest, the app is designed for beginners, offering a streamlined interface with basic trading and automated investing options. Ally Invest. The Ally Invest Live platform caters to active traders with real-time data and customizable dashboards. Investment options. Both brokers provide a wide array of investment choices. SoFi Invest allows trading in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Ally Invest offers mutual funds, options, and Forex trading. Research and education. Both platforms provide extensive resources to help investors make informed decisions. SoFi Invest offers basic market news and insights, as well as educational content through articles and webinars. Ally Invest provides comprehensive research tools, including market data, third-party research, and extensive educational content. Customer service. Reliable customer support is essential for addressing any issues or questions. SoFi Invest offers customer support via phone, email, and live chat during business hours. Ally Invest provides 24/7 customer service via phone, email, and live chat. Mobile experience. A strong mobile app is vital for trading on the go. SoFi Invest, the mobile app is highly rated for its simplicity and ease of use, making it ideal for beginner investors. Ally Invest, the mobile app is robust, providing access to the full range of investment products and trading tools, real-time quotes, and account management features. Promotions and bonuses. Introductory offers can add value for new investors. SoFi Invest frequently offers promotions such as cash bonuses for new accounts, referral bonuses, and occasional promotions. Ally Invest offers promotions like cash bonuses for new accounts with qualifying deposits, commission-free trades for a limited period, and referral bonuses. User interface and experience. Ease of use can significantly impact the investing experience. SoFi Invest, known for its user-friendly interface, making it ideal for beginners and those looking for a simplified investing experience. Ally Invest features a comprehensive and customizable interface, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced traders. Conclusion. Both SoFi Invest and Ally Invest offer valuable services tailored to different types of investors. SoFi Invest is ideal for beginners and those seeking a simple, fee-free investing experience with automated options. Ally Invest, with its robust trading tools and extensive investment choices, is perfect for active traders and those looking for a more hands-on approach. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.